I used to stare at candles like I was watching fireworks. Cool colors, but absolutely no clue what they meant. So now, let's fix that. We're going to make candles make sense fast. The candle shows what price did during a specific time. So where it started, how high and how low it went, and finally where it closed. Think of it like a mini story of price movement, all told in one stick. Open, high, low, close. The candle body is the range between open and close. The wicks, that's price's little detours to the upside and to the downside. So what's the difference between a green candle and a red candle? Green means it closed higher than it opened, i.e. buyers won. Red means it closed lower, so sellers took over. There's different names for candles depending on the shape they have when they close. Doji. Open and close are basically the same. No one's in control. It shows indecision. The market doesn't know whether it wants to go up or down. Hammer. Small body, long bottom wick. Buyer said, not today, and shot the price back up. Shooting star. Small body, long top wick. Price went up and got clapped back down. Seller stepped in hard. Engulfing. One candle fully swallows the last one. Big shift in momentum. This can be up, bullish, or down, bearish. So what can candles actually tell you? Don't memorize patterns just to sound smart. Learn to read the overall story, who's winning, who's faking it, and where the price might go next. So now next time you see a doji, you'll know it's not a glitch. These aren't some kind of magic spells. They're just price diaries. And now, you can read them. In the next episode, we're going to be breaking down who's actually winning, buyers or sellers, and how candles expose the truth. Make sure not to miss it. As always, drop a like if this content helped, smash that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.